iPhone 17. The future of smartphones is here. The iPhone 17 is finally here, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. A phone so advanced, so futuristic that it feels like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But what makes this iPhone different? What insane new features will change the way we use smartphones forever? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might just be rethinking your next upgrade. The build-up. How did we get here? Let's rewind for a second. Every year, Apple pushes the boundaries of innovation. The iPhone 14 brought us Dynamic Island. The iPhone 15, a titanium frame and USB-C. The iPhone 16? Well, rumors say it'll be the stepping stone for something much bigger. And that brings us to today, the iPhone 17. Apple has been playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. But here's the real question. What's next? What could possibly make the iPhone 17 stand out in a sea of high-tech competitors? The big reveal, groundbreaking features. All right, let's talk about the real game changers. The edge-to-edge invisible display. Imagine a phone with no bezels, no notch. Just a flawless, borderless OLED display. The iPhone 17 introduces the world's first invisible display technology. The front camera, it's completely hidden under the screen. Face ID works seamlessly without any visible sensors. Pure immersion. Pure magic. The battery that lasts days. We've all been there. Your battery is dying at the worst possible time. Well, Apple just fixed that. The iPhone 17 features an industry-first graphene battery, giving you up to 72 hours of real-world usage. That's right, 3 whole days on a single charge. And the best part? It charges from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that correctly? Satellite connectivity, but next level. Emergency SOS was just the beginning. The iPhone 17 takes it up a notch with global satellite calling and messaging. No signal, no problem. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or stuck in the middle of nowhere, your iPhone now works anywhere on Earth. 200 megapixel camera with AI cinematic mode. Photography is about to change forever. A 200 megapixel camera with AI-driven cinematic mode, real-time editing, and even an AI assistant that suggests the perfect shot angle. Who needs a DSLR when your phone does all the work? But that's not even the craziest part. Apple has introduced something we never expected to see in a smartphone. Apple Neural AI, your smartest assistant. Yet, meet your new personal assistant. The iPhone 17 introduces Apple Neural AI, an on-device intelligence system that learns everything about your habits, routines, and preferences. It schedules your day, suggests responses, even drafts emails in your tone. The best part? No cloud processing, no privacy risks, just you and your AI. With the iPhone 17, we're not just talking about a smartphone anymore. We're talking about the future of personal technology. And here's the real question. Is this the phone that finally makes you upgrade? Drop a comment. What's your favorite feature? Will you be getting the iPhone 17? Hit that like button if you love futuristic tech. And don't forget to subscribe, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.